Ai oman this year ya ma obi biara akwa aba. Enuanom na adofo bibiara a uchie yanka ana uhwe mponi. Ene yewo asempa edema obi biara a ohwe ye. Eno no se yewo asemdede bi edema obi biara a ochie ye. Na saa asem yi efiri ya ye brotherhood. Ya tu ni di se Great Illuminati Brotherhood. Na saa Great Illuminati Brotherhood yi yeboa nyame nipa bebre. Se uhia sika ana uhia powers bia ana uhia leadership bia so ye politician o ana uye obi a upe sika nkasa no to anamo na ebeboa wo na saa ye Illuminati group yi eno a ya to read say Great Illuminati Brotherhood se ube register ye ho a sa ube register ye brotherhood yi mu a na sa ye diwo eka ye ho a 30 days 1 month na wadani sikani we de nyasa ye hia moja de bi ye hia moja eno an se wo de frɛ ye be kyerɛ wo ekwan a wo befa na de wo aka ye brother wo hu na ye de wo ka ye ho a wo behu se ampa tumi wo bebi na sika de wo bedi bia jai obi biara ohwɛ ye ana obi biara ochie ye nkasa yi a toanamo ne bra ana toanamo ne frɛ ye ne beka ye ho ye society bia ye boa ye ho ye boa obi biara opese ono so nye sika ye bebo nti mi kanfo Great Illuminati Brotherhood ama say bomodia nebra nebeka ye ho wo beka ye ho a na sika no so benye bi nti mi kanfo Great Illuminati Brotherhood ama say bra nebeka ye ho hwe TV no so wo be hu numbers no na frɛ your numbers ye 055 888 5308 055 888 5308 so here ye WhatsApp number so a wo de fa +233 ka ho ye WhatsApp number no so wo Ghana wo de bono se ne me bono a na so wo ye obi a wo amanone ana bibiara enye Ghana no wo de fa +233 e ka ho eno anum na adofo no we de yantwe kasa no ami pa kire wo se ewiasim sa wonni sika sa wo ye obema wo ye oba wo ena wiase sa wo te na sa wonni sika yembu nti mi pa kire wo se bra ne beka ye ho eno an se wo be frɛ ye wo frɛ ya ye be kire wo kwan a wo be fa so se de a wontimi mbakora ye brotherhood no eye powerful me pa kire se tumi wom wo de frɛ ye se wontimi mbakora frɛ ye na ye be kire wo se tumi wo bebi ye de tumi no e de wo beka ye ho biara wo bia ye de wo beka ye ho na wo so wadane ni papa na sika de wo bedi ajai ajapade de Great Illuminati Brotherhood ye society bia ye numoja ye nkum nipa ye ndi bone eno an se ya yenim kwan bia ye de wo befa so na wo so wanya sika nti se wo hwe ye nde a na uchie a wo de fa numbers no na frɛ ye na wo frɛ a wo so obedi adanse pa nti frɛ ye Great Illuminati Brotherhood ye wo Africa ha na me kire wo se amanfo e wo amanoni a oboka ye ho blacks eni mronifo nyina ene omo eye juma nti se wo hwe ye nde a bomodi an fa number no ai fa number no de fa number ne frɛ ye na wo be hu se ampa Great Illuminati Brotherhood eno an se ye hear new members ye hear members a omo be dwane ye nti wo so frɛ wo frɛ a ene wo be twetwe nkomo ekwan biara wo be fa so no ye be kire wo na wo so wo benya sika wo so wo be gidin ye brotherhood we so ye ni haw bia se de uka ye ho a na se wo tam no so a umra no so na se wonya sika no a wonya sika na ekopim sika dodo a wo pɛ no ana wonya sika no ekodru emre bi a wa ankasa wogi di se me sika we metima di sa na mewu kra me ma benye biadi ana wo pɛ se umfiri mu a eni haw bia enu an se ye no be twetwe nkomo na wa afiri mu eni ntimi pa kire wo se uka ye hu na se edru emire bi a wo pese wo njaya a eni haw bia eno an se wo be ka kire afi ma nya sika nti mpese meyi me hu mfiri Great Illuminati Brotherhood eni haw bia na asa perform ye rituals no na ayi wa free mu but ye you free mu a eno an se unko reveal your secret ema obi because ye nkum nipa ye mpe moja eno an se ye godfather no or ye so powerful oji wo ka ye hu a enchere bia wo bedani sika ni sa na me pa kire wo yes wherever you are watching us from or wherever you are listening to us today we are here to tell you or to throw more light about a brotherhood called Great Illuminati Brotherhood. Great Illuminati Brotherhood is a society based in Africa, and we do help a lot. And being a member of the Great Illuminati Brotherhood is so simple. All you need to do is you pick up our contact numbers, then you call us. Or better still, you chat us on WhatsApp, so I will show you the way forward. Quickly, let me inform you that the Great Illuminati Brotherhood, we don't sacrifice human beings. We don't have anything associated with blood. All we need is you call us, then tell us your interest of being part of the brotherhood, and we'll make you a member of the brotherhood so that in no time the world will hear you. Yes, if you join the Illuminati Brotherhood, we only give you up to 30 days. Before the 30 days, you become a billionaire. Whatever you want. If you need powers, if you need leadership, if you're a politician and you need more love, come and join our secret brotherhood, the Great Illuminati Brotherhood. Come and join us, and your life will change for the rest of your life. So wherever you are watching us from, or wherever you are listening to us, I want you to pick our numbers. Just give us a call and all your needs are solved. Yes, if you've never heard of the Great Illuminati Brotherhood before, today we are telling you more about the Brotherhood. Like I said, the Brotherhood is based in Africa. I want you to watch the pictures and the short videos. Yes, all these people, we can't mention names because the Great Illuminati Brotherhood is the most secret society in the whole wide world. Come and join us. No one will know you have joined the Great Illuminati Brotherhood because we keep to our promises, and we also keep secret within ourselves. So come, pick up our form and be part of us. Your life will never be the same. Watch the pictures, watch the videos. You yourself, you will realize that when you join the Great Illuminati Brotherhood, your life will never be the same. Yes, the world is a changed world today. Day in and day out, you hear of brotherhood this, brotherhood that, brotherhood this, brotherhood that. But my brother, my sister, if you need the quickest way to make money, quickest way to get riches, join the Great Illuminati Brotherhood. These are our numbers: 055 888 5308. This same number is on WhatsApp. If you are outside Ghana, Europe, West Africa, Asia, America, you can add +233. You either give us a call or you chat us on WhatsApp on this same number. The Great Illuminati Brotherhood, your number one to riches. The Great Illuminati Brotherhood. Secret is our strongest weapon. Come and join us, and your life will change for the better. That's how baby. One kasa hwɛ mfoni no. Sɛ wohwɛ mfoni a ɛda wo sikiri yi so a, wowa bɛhu sɛ ampa the Great Illuminati Brotherhood. Yagye din na deɛ ɛpɛ ara ne sɛ yɛpɛ members. New members na ɛpɛ ɛno ano no. Mɛ deɛ ka kyerɛ wo sɛ yɛnhia nipa mogya, yɛnhia nipa. Deɛ ɛpɛ ara ne sɛ frɛ yɛ na gye yɛ form no na yɛmfa wo ka yɛn ho. Sɛ yɛde wo ka yɛn ho a 30 days, 30 days na wɔde ne sika ne. Wohwɛ a hwɛ mponi no, hwɛ mbroni no, hwɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ so, hwɛ pictures ni yie na wobɛhu sɛ ampa the Great Illuminati Brotherhood yɛ society a yɛmfa nde agorɔ. Nti wohwɛ a frɛ yɛ. Yes, nti biribiara a wɔ biara no bɛka yɛ ho. Biribiara a wɔ biara no mɛnka sɛ ɛwa wode frɛ yɛ na bɛka yɛ ho na wo ha wobɛtwa the Great Illuminati Brotherhood. Hwɛ wo de hwɛ pictures no na hwɛ videos no wankasa wobɛhu sɛ ampa the Great Illuminati Brotherhood yɛwɔ ahoɔden, yɛwɔ tumi, na sika nso yɛwɔ bi. Ɛnyɛ sika nko a, sɛ wopɛ sɛ wombini a, sɛ wonhia tumi a, wonhia powers, bɛka yɛ ho. Wopɛ sɛ wonkɔ w'anim, bɛka yɛ ho. Sɛ woyɛ obi a, wopɛ sɛ wonyɛ football a, sɛ wonnim football no bɔ koraa, wode bɛka yɛ ho. Yɛ spirit no, woba na sɛ yɛgye wo tom a, na sɛ woka kyerɛ sɛ mpɛ sɛ menyɛ international footballer, professional footballer, secret yɛ spirit no ɛno na ɛdi football no wɔn ɛbɛgu mu na wobɛbɔ ball ɛno akyire sɛ woyɛ politician a sɛ woyɛ obi a wotwa loto koraa wode bra bibiara wopɛ bia no bra na yɛmma nkum nipa yɛnkum nipa yɛmpɛ nipa mogya. Yes, yɛ brotherhood wei yɛyusu mogya yɛmpɛ nipa mogya ɛno koraa yɛrekɔyɛ den debi nti ɛno ano sɛ register frɛ yɛ ana chat ye on WhatsApp na be ka ye ho hwe poni no yie na fire numbers was screen no so upa frɛ ye upa so a chat ye on WhatsApp ai WhatsApp no kura upa o de record voice message na fa ma ye be reply o fe kama na akyerɛw ekwan a wo be fa na ya jiw ade aka ye ho na Great Illuminati Brotherhood sɛ de uka ye ho a eno ano no bibiara wo pe we wiase bia no wo sa be ka bi ohun amanforo bebre a omo drive car akase omo si abronsan omo wo companies omo bebre ka ye ho but obiara nim won enam say ye fa ye secret mpi abonte no nka mebodi a kyerɛw enye Ghana nko a Ghana ni Africa Asia Europe nka mebobodi a kyerɛw nti wo so bra be ka ye ho unkum nipa ye kan kyerɛw say ko pemoja bra ye eno an say wo beba wo frɛ ya na I register wo so untimi bakra wo de frɛ ye ye be kyerɛw kwan a wo befa na register wo eno ano no wo dane a member eno ano no acha 30 days bosome ba ko pe awo de ni sika ni so ton pie watakra sika no beba nti wo de bra why bra eme ewiase emba wapo bra ema wabusuafo ensrewo frɛ ye na be ka ye ho the Great Illuminati Brotherhood bra wa hwe mponi a wo be hu se ampa ya gidi na ebo nyamemba ebo ya ho bra na be gi sika no bi bra na be di adanse bra just come join us the Great Illuminati Brotherhood. If you want to become a member, it's so simple. Pick our numbers on the screen, watch the videos, watch the pictures. This will tell you that if you join the Great Illuminati Brotherhood, your life will never be the same. So I want you to be part of us. I want you to join us and experience real life. Join us today and your door to riches will be open within 30 days. Yes, we have a lot of members worldwide, not in Africa, not in Ghana. Yes, we have a lot of members. But remember, the Great Illuminati Brotherhood secret is our strongest weapon. If you join us, no one will know you have joined the secret brotherhood, or no one will know you joined the society. So try, give us a call, chat us on WhatsApp. You can record a voice SMS. Just pick the number. Tell us what you need. If you need real cash, if you want to become riches overnight, just give us a call. Let us know what you want. If you're a politician, if you need a ministerial post, if you want to go high, you call us. We have a lot of big men in our society, and most of them made it through the Great Illuminati Brotherhood. We have politicians in the Brotherhood, we have police, we have soldiers, we have lawyers, we have judges. Mention them. So be part of us and your life will change for the better. Join our secret brotherhood and you will smile to riches. The Great Illuminati Brotherhood. The Great Illuminati Society. Look on the screen, pick our numbers, give us a call, and your life will change for the better. Yes, so wherever you are watching us or wherever you are listening to us, today the door to your riches is open. Today, the door to you being the number one is open. Today, the gate for you to be on top is open. Join us today and your life will never be the same. The Great Illuminati Brotherhood. Yes, this brotherhood, yes, the Great Illuminati Brotherhood. We don't have enough time, so we don't talk too much. We'll be ending here, telling and encouraging you to pick our numbers, give us a call or chat us on WhatsApp. Your life will change for the better. Yes, enuanum na adofonum ahana edimu besi na the Great Illuminati Brotherhood na the Great Illuminati Society yan kasa tenten say kasa na kasa ni tia enu anu say wo hwe mfoni no a obehu say ampa obeka ye ho a we ni beje nti yedimu se ha fa numbers no na frɛ ye na chat ye on WhatsApp chat ye WhatsApp so a eno obedi nkomo fefefe na oso odi adanse. The Great Illuminati Brotherhood, number one. The Great Illuminati Brotherhood, your secret way to riches. The Great Illuminati Brotherhood, the gateway for the world riches. Join us today and you will smile home. Shalom. Peace. Bye-bye.